Hi everyone, this story is called The Hiccup and it's written by Ingrid Sissung. The Hiccup. Sometimes when you eat or speak too quickly, funny things can happen. Like with Elliot, the bear who got the hiccups. And since the hiccups wouldn't go away, Elliot became very grouchy. What made him especially angry was that his cousin Lutz, who was visiting him in the woods, did not get the hiccups and was making fun of him. If we take a walk, Elliot thought, the hiccups will surely go away. But he was wrong. A squirrel heard Elliot's hiccups and said, "Hold your breath and count 10 nuts in your head." But no, counting to 10 wasn't enough to make the hiccups go away. And this delighted Lutz, who kept laughing. In a pond, a frog who was hard at work practicing his swimming, when he heard Elliot, he said, "You should drink a lot of water all at once." But no, the hiccups did not stop. So the two bears walked on through the woods. Elliot was busy hiccuping and stumbling, and Lutz couldn't stop laughing. A fox was amazed at all the noise he heard. When he caught sight of the two bears, he said, "You should stand on your head. Then the hiccups will go away." But they were still there. A badger had yet another idea. "You should try singing a little song." But no, that didn't work either. A rabbit laughed at the bear with the hiccups. Hiccups are a kind of monster in your stomach. You just have to poke it, then the monster will hop out of your mouth and run away. Could the rabbit possibly be right? No. The doe had another idea, but she kept it to herself. Sadly, all the advice Elliot had gotten was useless. His hiccups still did not stop. All the animals in the woods felt very sorry for him, except Lutz. Laughing, Lutz wasn't paying attention and stepped on a stick with his paw. And bum-ba-dum, he landed flat on the ground. Elliot was shocked and gasped. What was that? Elliot listened. Yes! His hiccups had disappeared, and they had finally found someone else. And that's the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!